One for 5 minutes. Let's do it. Let's do it. Melugana. Hey, today is my English. Okay. What's day of this video? I think day 19 or day 20. Wow. It's so far from the first. Wait for a minute. I'm searching right now. Okay, oh wow. This video is speaking English for 5 minutes, day 19. Oh, it's good. Okay, the topic that I gonna talk this video is I have one anime that's that that I will recommend you for the viewer minasan, not Japanese, English. The anime that that the name of that anime is Blue Block. Yes, Blue Block. In Japanese, he's called it Aohako. So. Yeah, Japanese, not Japanese. This video is English. The Blue Box anime is uh is told about the main character that's called that is called Taiki. Taiki that the Taiki in love from the senior, someone that senior is playing a basketball, and he is the basketball player in her school. That school is what is that school? Some something school that is the logo that's usually blue. Yeah, and the the name of senior is Jinatsu Kano, and Jinatsu Kano is the senior that is very beautiful, really what is that word? Really, what is that word? I don't know, but I'm gonna search it right now. I beautiful and famous, yeah. So the Taiki is in love with that senior, and the anime is telling about these two is this couple. So after that their what's that? Oh, my English so but covered. They understand to be a girlfriend and boyfriend. わかるかなえต้องการ they also understand to be a girlfriend and boyfriend, and they think recommend romantic relationship. They think going out, yes, they are going out. And this anime it show me what is that the sport the sport system in Japan, and love comedy also together, also sport system and also love comedy together. Today for me this anime is very fun, and I love Jinatsu Kano is very much. When I work out, I in this period I am get her picture get her picture in my room, and when I'm work out and see her picture, and her picture or image that took me for the power when I am work out. And I think uh I should work out to more and more like that, more and more stuff like this. Yeah, I'm recommend this anime. This anime for me is really fun. Yeah. Okay. for my what I in, oh it's finished 5 minutes. I'm just talking right now. I'm just talking with myself right now. What this this video I'm just thinking about one topic, and that's finished. That that uh that topic of speaking is just finished before the time have finished. The time 5 minutes have finished like 1 second. Yeah. Okay. See you next video. Bye. See you next video in the 20. Yeah.